Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a Next.js project which allows you to download Instagram videos and reels directly in the browser. So this is the demo of the application. We are running it locally here on localhost 3000. So this is the interface of the application. So right here in the search bar you will paste the Instagram post URL. So it can be a reel or a video. Simply copy the address, go to Instagram and copy the address. And whenever you come to this application, simply you paste the link here. After pasting the link, you click the download button and instantly it will make the request to the Instagram GraphQL API and instantly download this reel video and download this as a MP4 video file. So now you can see that the video is successfully downloaded. Same goes with the video as well. You can take Instagram profile video, for example. I take this, I copy this, and again I go to this, simply paste it, and again it will make a request to the Instagram GraphQL API. So all the processing is happening directly in the browser, no server-side code is involved. So it's a single page application. So once the video is downloaded, you can play the video directly inside your machine. So this will save you a lot of time. As you can see, the video is successfully downloaded from Instagram. So I've given the source code in the description. You can directly purchase it. This is the full directory structure of the project. Each component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. You can just see right here. For this, we are actually making a request to the Instagram GraphQL official API. This is uh, you can do this unlimited number of times. So I just written this code from scratch for downloading Instagram reels and videos. So as you can see, we have this API where we are making the request and getting the response and then downloading it. So it's a fully fledged single page application. If I show you the package.json file, we are using the Next.js, the latest version, as you can see. So this is a single page application, all the processing happening directly in the browser. So right here you paste the link here. After pasting the link, that video will be downloaded instantly. So the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. After purchasing it, your source code will be downloaded from Google Drive automatically. So once you get the source code, you will be able to modify the source code or add additional features on top of it as well. So it's the code is very easy to understand once you get the source code. So all the files are coded inside their TypeScript. So each and every component is documented, very easy to understand code. You can even put your advertisement as well. Once you deploy this application, I created this component for you where you can put your own advertisement as well. So right here, whenever user come to your website, you can at the bottom side you can place some AdSense advertisements as well. So apart from that, we also have the dark mode as well. If you need the dark mode, you can click that. So you simply paste the link of the Instagram video reel. Instantly, the video will be downloaded. So this is a really nice project inside Next.js. If you are interested, I've given the link. You can directly purchase the full source code and then you can instantly deploy this application to your domain name, or you can run this project that I'm running it locally as well, npm run dev. So this will start the application locally, so you can see that.